What's going on, guys? Hopping Godefa here, master of self. Just got done with the meditation. Didn't feel like doing the whole dress up thing, wearing a hoodie. This came to me in the meditation today, and I was thinking about the limitations and the barriers we set on ourselves. I was just in meditation, I was like, why can't what's stopping me from achieving a certain dollar amount, right? Let's just say you want 10 million. There's a part of you that believes, all right, 10 million is obtainable, right? Or actually, no, let's go lower. Let's say you're just thinking about a million, right? A million seems to be the number for a lot of people. You're thinking about a million, you're like, all right, you know what? I can aspire to that. I can aspire to get to 10 million, but beyond the number you're aspiring to, there's another number, a number that you feel like is impossible, but at the same time, it's like, why not? Why can't I do that? And so I had that number pop up into my head during meditation, and I guess the whole point of this video is to say the only thing that's stopping us from achieving the things that we want to achieve is the limitations we place on ourselves. So whatever it is that you want in life, you can get it. The only thing that's stopping you is this belief, this barrier that you have in your mind that for whatever reason you're not worthy of achieving it, you're not worthy of receiving it. And I felt like I was breaking down some of those barriers today when I was in meditation. Like, why not? Like, why can't I get those things? Whether it is a dollar amount, whether it is starting a business, whether it is an opportunity, whether it is a spouse, just the dream life in general. Like, there's the dream life that you would like to have it happen, but then there's one beyond that, higher than that you might disregard because you think it's impossible. Nah, that. Go for the one that you think is impossible. You know that saying where they're like, shoot for the stars. If you fall, you'll land on the cloud. It's like that. It's like everybody's going for the cloud. Everybody's going for the thing that they think is unachievable, but at the same time, like, all right, that's something high enough to aim for. But it's like, no, that aim for the stars. If there was something beyond the stars, I would say aim for that. But aim for the stars. Go for the one that you think is impossible, because it brings something out of you. You become a different person. You embody a version of yourself, like the highest version of yourself, the one that you were the one that you were sent here to be. You were sent to be this person. You were meant to embody this version of yourself that you don't access on a day-to-day basis. But there is a version of you that you're not living up to, which is in a sense your fullest potential. And the only way to access your fullest potential is to challenge yourself. You're not going to access your fullest potential by settling. You're going to access your fullest potential by going for something that's so high up that it almost seems unattainable. But for some reason, you have this belief that you can do it, and so that keeps you going every single day. You wake up with this sense of urgency. You wake up with this fire, like, I could do it, why not? And so you go for it. So we all have that in us. I think everybody just does a really great job at settling. Don't be like everybody else. Don't be like everybody else who is just settling for the clouds. Some people are even settling for something lower than that. Some people don't even aim for the clouds. People just aim for what the next man has or what the next girl has. It's like, man, what's for them is for them, and what's for you is for you, but you're never going to obtain the things that are meant for you if you're always just looking at the next man. It's like, you know what it is. You know what you have. You know you have gifts. You know you have a purpose that was only designed for you to achieve, but you're never going to get it if you're always looking at the next man. But the only way to find out what that is for you to look within. That's why meditation is a good thing. It helps you out. It's worked for me, and I know it worked for anybody else. But yeah, you're never going to find the things that you're looking for by looking outside into the world. You got to look inside, look within, and for most people, that's a scary thing to do. people do such a great job at distracting themselves and always looking outside, always looking at, again, the next man, always looking out into the world, being distracted by television, distracted by internet, social media. But the moment you quiet the outside noise and you look within yourself, you'll start to hear your higher self talking to you. You start to hear the universe talking to you. I know it sounds all spiritual, woo-hoo-hoo, but it's true. Everything you're looking for is inside of you. And so I invite you guys to do that. Go on that journey within yourself. Again, meditation is a great way to start. Working out's a great way to start. Working out is like surface level, but working out will help. It'll help you get rid of the toxins within your body. Eating healthy will help as well too. But having a spiritual practice, there's nothing like it. It's second to none. But yeah, definitely try to meditate. Take a chance. Why not? What do you have to lose? You have everything to gain, to be honest. So yeah, if you want to break past the limitations that you have set on yourself subconsciously, meditate, shoot for the stars. If you fall, you'll land on the cloud. It's so cheesy. But anyway, guys, I'm Haben Godefa. I love y'all. I love every single one of you. If you found this video helpful, like this, subscribe more on a day-to-day basis. I'm gonna go enjoy the day. Love.